So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S8. It has the screen to body ratio of 83.6% to 84%. You might not remember them now, but early Samsung Galaxy S9 rumors claims that the phone would have significantly smaller bezels compared to the Samsung Galaxy S8, as Samsung was looking to eliminate the bottom bezels like Apple did with the iPhone X. It was only later that we found out Samsung decided to stick with almost the same design for the Samsung Galaxy S9, although the 2018 flagship does have smaller top and bottom bezels than its predecessor. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has a screen to body ratio of between 83.6% to 84.2% depending on size. It is similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8. Well, now, unsurprisingly, rumors have begun to spring up suggesting the Samsung Galaxy S10 will have even smaller bezels. We know so far that Samsung is making 3 S10 versions that will rival Apple's 3 2018 iPhones. The Galaxy S10 will be the first Samsung Galaxy phone to feature ultrasonic fingerprint sensor in the display, and as well as a triple lens cameras on the back. So Samsung insider Ice Universe, who often reveals details about unreleased Samsung devices, tweeted a few hours ago that the Samsung Galaxy S10's screen to body ratio will be greatly improved. The only way to do that is eliminate bezels, with the bottom bezels being the likely candidate. That is if Samsung doesn't plan to copy the iPhone X design. So if Samsung greatly improved the screen to body ratio of the Samsung Galaxy S10, the S10 will definitely look like this. Guys, look at that. This is a concept by Venya Geskin which reveals tons of other designs. Look at that. This is a futuristic beast from Samsung. It will have triple cameras on the back, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor into the display, and much higher screen to body ratio than its predecessor Samsung Galaxy S9. So guys, what's your thoughts on this design of the Samsung Galaxy S10? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for the video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.